Hostas, the unsung heroes of the garden, are often overlooked, but today, we're going to change that. Welcome back, gardening enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Greener Earth. In this video, we'll dive into the world of hosta plants and uncover the reasons why you should include them in your garden. Not to mention, we'll explore the various types of hosta plants that will add unparalleled beauty and charm to your outdoor sanctuary. So, let's get started. Hosta plants are incredibly versatile, making them a must-have for any garden. Here are some reasons why you should consider adding hostas to your green space. 1. Elegance and beauty. Hostas are renowned for their striking foliage. With a wide array of leaf shapes, sizes, and colors, these plants bring an unmatched elegance to any landscape. 2. Easy to grow. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie, hostas are incredibly easy to grow and maintain. They thrive in various soil conditions and can tolerate shade or partial sun, making them perfect for a wide range of garden settings. 3. Low maintenance. Hostas are generally low-maintenance plants, requiring minimal effort to keep them healthy and vibrant. They're a great choice for busy gardeners who still want to enjoy a beautiful landscape. 4. Slug resistance. Many hosta varieties are naturally resistant to slugs, a common pest in the garden. So, you won't have to worry about these pesky creatures ruining your lovely plants. 5. Landscaping delight. Hostas can be used in numerous landscaping styles, from traditional garden beds to modern container arrangements, adding depth and character to your outdoor space. Now that we've established why hostas are a fantastic addition to your garden, let's explore the wide variety of hosta plants available. 1. Miniature marvels. Many hosta varieties are perfect for small gardens, container gardening, or as border plants. Despite their size, they pack a punch with their captivating foliage. 2. Giant beauties. On the other end of the spectrum, we have giant hostas. These impressive plants can reach sizes of up to 3 feet in diameter, creating a dramatic impact in any landscape. 3. Variegated wonder. Variegated hostas come in a myriad of color combinations, with patterns ranging from elegant stripes to vibrant splashes. Their eye-catching leaves are sure to become a focal point in your garden. 4. Fragrant flowers. While the foliage is the main attraction, many hosta varieties also produce lovely, fragrant flowers that add an extra layer of charm to your garden. 5. Distinctive leaf shapes. Hostas exhibit an incredible diversity of leaf shapes, from heart-shaped to lance-shaped and everything in between, making them a captivating botanical collection. To ensure your hostas thrive and continue to beautify your garden, here are some essential care tips. 1. Planting. Hostas prefer well-draining, rich soil. Ensure you provide them with enough space to grow and expand over the years. 2. Watering. While hostas can tolerate drought conditions, they perform best with consistent watering, especially during the hot summer months. 3. Mulching. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the plants helps retain moisture and suppresses weed growth, promoting healthier growth. 4. Fertilization. Use a balanced fertilizer in spring to encourage robust foliage growth and another application after flowering to support blooming. 5. Dividing. As hostas mature, they benefit from division every few years to maintain vigor and prevent overcrowding. And there you have it, fellow gardeners. Hostas, with their beauty, diversity, and easy care, are undoubtedly a delightful addition to any garden. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a gardening enthusiast just starting, there's a hosta variety out there waiting to be part of your green sanctuary. So, don't wait any longer, head to your nearest nursery and discover the wonderful world of hostas today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep planting and keep growing on the greener earth.